We are happy to see you all back here at Wealthy Coin. As previously said in SHIB News, this is the CEO of Shiba Inu final warning. Over the past several days, Shiba Inu, an ERC20 token that resides on the Ethereum blockchain, has been consolidating between the 0.0000011 to 0.00000001500 area. It is the second largest dog-inspired meme coin in the world by market capitalization. Until further notice, SHIB's 50-day moving average hovers around 0.0001150 USD, limiting its potential for further gains. Even if the 21, 100, and 200 DMAs are still drawing price activity in their respective directions, the latest SHIB news and the final warning from the Shiba Inu CEO are covered in this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inu, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. Although the trading volume of SHIB has been going upwards as of late, it is believed by some that it may soon reach new heights. Data gathered from CoinGecko indicates that SHIB trade volumes on several exchanges reached a remarkable $420 million on Wednesday, long before the day came to a close. The previous day's trading volumes had surpassed $600 million, the highest level since the middle of March. Strong price performance and a steady increase in SHIB trading volumes have been going on since the beginning of the year. Annual growth for Shiba Inu is almost 40%. Despite SHIB's stellar success since the beginning of the year, it has fallen about 30% from its all-time high in the $0.00016 range. Nonetheless, SHIB surpassed the downward trend from this peak at the close of last month. Retesting these earlier yearly highs is possible if it can overcome the cloud of major moving averages, which are still serving as and rise above the mid-$0.0000011 support resistance level. Having a Shiba Inu as Twitter's emblem should be seen as a positive thing. Upcoming improvements to the Shiba Inu ecology may also inspire hope. You should expect to witness tangible advancements in all things SHIB in the upcoming weeks. The virtual world. On Tuesday, prominent Shiba Inu advocate Lucy shared a post from team lead Marcy Jastro on the Shiba Inu Metaverse's Discord channel, with the goal of reducing transaction costs and providing a foundation for building a Shiba Inu-specific Web3 ecosystem that can still take advantage of the fundamental security of the Ethereum blockchain's consensus layer. Shibarium, Shiba Inu's Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution, has just been released into beta. Big SHIB whales still seem to be hanging onto their tokens and not giving up, even if SHIB has taken a significant tumble from its earlier yearly highs around the $0.0000016 range. Based on on-chain data reported by Whale Stats, the top 100 Shiba Inu whales have been conducting almost no trades daily since mid-February, having been in the hundreds before. It appears that the whale population is still very strongly sentimental. Whether SHIB can 10 times from current levels is a challenging ask, at least in the short run. Shiba Inu's market cap would skyrocket to around $47 billion and SHIB would reach new all-time highs in the upper $0.00088 level if the increase were 7 times. With a tenfold increase, SHIB would have a zero loss and a market valuation of more than $65 billion. The cryptocurrency could potentially experience a tenfold increase in value in the coming years if the U.S. Federal Reserve plans to implement a large-scale rate-cutting program later this year in order to prevent a U.S. bank crisis-induced recession, and if the Shiba Inu team keeps adding new features and functionality to the Web3 project's ecosystem. On the one-day chart, the Shiba Inu price is stuck at the crucial resistance level of $0.0001152. A massive SHIB whale has decided to purchase the dip. The anonymous grand owner of the Shiba Inu, known as Blue Whale 0073, has reportedly continued his buying binge over the past 3 days, according to crypto tracking service Whale Stats. Blue Whale 0073 made a single acquisition of 148.78 billion SHIB, or approximately $1.65 million yesterday. Recent events include the purchase of 229.96 billion SHIB by the 254th biggest Ethereum whale on April 4th. According to Whale Stats, is approximately $2.58 million. The whale has spent an astounding 378.74 billion SHIB, or $4.23 million, on Shiba Inu in the past 72 hours. However, SHIB has not been able to overcome market trends despite the buying pressure from the unidentified investor. However, Ethereum whales are still holding out hope that SHIB's price will continue to rise. Among ETH whales, SHIB is still the most popular investment, second only to stablecoins, according to WhaleStat's most recent update from the end of March. Upon the creation of the Shiba Inu, the SHIB army approached its founder, Ryoshi, with a request. This was later passed on to Satoshi, and both of them were visionaries who saw the future and realized that exponential SHIB burns would be available in Shibarium. Many are yet to understand the actual idea of Shibarium until it comes to fulfillment. While Koyo token has shown us the way and given us a clue as to what's to come. Despite the fact that Koyo token is scheduled to burn a significant amount of SHIB tokens, about 6.1 billion in March alone, the burning is not related to the Koi smart contract automated 2% tax SHIB tax burn, but rather to what Kentaro Koyo's founder wrote on his Medium. Because of this, you should anticipate SHIB burns in the millions with continuous burns, as well as a volume of billions of dollars in prizes in the millions. How on earth is this even possible? Many have wondered. To put it in perspective, with a current market valuation of $6,480,338,680 and a circulation supply of 589542816415700000000, it would take the burning of 99999999999% of the total supply. Burning $588 trillion worth of SHIB tokens would be necessary. At the current market cap of $6,452,000,000, burning $6,449,038,346 worth of SHIB would result in $0.0.0.01. This is based on the current price of $0.000010001. At the onset, it is clear that the Ryoshi to Satoshi vision of Shibarium must come to fruition in order to accomplish such a monumental goal, which would necessitate the efforts of the Koyo token trading and financial service platform. Now let's shift our attention to Koyo token's positive future prospects. The platform's volume projection is in the billions of dollars. A monthly trading volume of $1 billion would allow them to calculate the ordinary transaction fees in addition to the borrowing fees on perpetual trading platforms. This might result in a monthly revenue of nearly $20 million for Koyo. This might cause the monthly burning of, conservatively speaking, $10 million worth of SHIB. Using this for the following 12 months would result in an annual burn of $120 million, or around 10,989,000,000 SHIB tokens. Next, we must think about whether Shibarium will pay out 70% of all transaction costs, taking into account the amount of traffic going into and out of the Koyo trading and financial services platform, and including that Kentaro also confirmed in his Medium, a loyal friend will never conduct in competitive strategies with its trusted alliance Shiba Inu. So we hereby declare Koyo will incorporate Shiba Swap as the exclusive swap for all trading via the Koyo trading platform and financial services protocol to ensure we add value and volume onto Shiba Swap Shibarium, and again, allowing the Shiba ecosystem to benefit. This means all swaps on Koyo platform would have an API to Shiba Swap. This means that the benefits of the exchange ultimately go to Shiba Swap, leading to an increase in both volume and SHIB burns. Think about it, the Koyo trading platform is going to add new Shibarium businesses that are in line with Satoshi's criteria. These companies will give back to the SHIB ecosystem through burns and the SHIB Doggy DAO Foundation, and they will also offer VC chances. As a result, Shibarium projects may experience unprecedented levels of trading activity, greatly improving the likelihood of being listed on the first tier of CX. On top of that, the ecosystem supporting these initiatives will increase the amount of data sent across the Shibarium network, which means more data for the SHIB burn pool. The plot entrants of the Koyo token are beginning to come together, with the Koi army promising to remain loyal to the SHIB army